here we actually have a Mercedes-Benz 8-cylinder engine. This is a 4.3 liter, and first what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect this the wrong way and see what happens. I mean, with the old jump starters you'll get sparks, but let's see what happens with this. Here we have the negative terminal, and look what happens. There's no sparks, and here you have a warning red light. So that means you have connected these cables the wrong way. Test this jump starter. What we will do is completely disconnect the battery. We will connect the jump starter directly and see if that jump starter alone will be able to crank this car up. So the battery is completely disconnected and the battery is not helping at all. Let's see if the jump starter will crank this car. There we go. If you press that button right there, it will be ready to jump start your car. He wasn't able to jump start the car. We're gonna try it one more time. So there you go. It won't even crank the engine. So if you had a completely dead battery, this would really struggle to jump start your car.